Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey friends, and welcome back. In today's video, let's take a look at some cozy farmhouse Christmas decor ideas. Now, farmhouse or rustic decor is super popular today and really has been for the past few years. Do you remember when this style came in full force, full throttle, and it feels like we haven't left from there yet? I know some people are somewhat tired of it, but some people still hold on to it very tightly. But whether you love it or hate it, one thing that you have to admit is that it really makes a space feel cozy and welcoming. It's a great way to welcome your guest or your family. It just feels good. Plus, another great thing about this style is that it is extremely budget friendly. Now, what you may not know is that rustic style is a great idea for your Christmas decor. If you think of those old-time Christmases, a lot of images that appear in your head are actually rustic and rustic spaces. So today I am presenting to you just various inspiration to bring this really popular style into your home and your space. Now it may be a little surprising, but you will see a lot of black and white in today's video. Black and white is just a really classic color scheme, but it's also very prevalent in the farmhouse Christmas space, which is kind of funny because we're so used to seeing red and white and emerald green. Now, neutrals are also very big in terms of a farmhouse Christmas. All of those creams and off-whites and grays will just really make your room or your home feel like a winter wonderland of sorts. Now, of course, since it is Christmas, we can throw in some dashes and pops of reds and greens. But if you think about it, those colors actually work very well with black and white and even some neutrals. Now, if you're going for something black and white, definitely check out the buffalo check or even a traditional plaid, a traditional red and green plaid, both of which can look very rustic. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the video and get lots of inspiration. Let me know down in the comment section, have you all ever played with the idea of having a farmhouse or rustic style Christmas in your home? Let me know. Some of these looks were so pretty. I've never had one, but after today's video, I'm thinking about it. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.